Back in August of 2025, there was a Glacier airdrop of Midnight token that was being distributed on Cardano blockchain. Fast forward to October of 2025, we had a scavenger mine where we had a 21-day grace period to mine as many tokens as possible. All you had to do is have a computer. The bigger the processing power you had and the bigger the storage, the better the opportunity. Now, to the main focus of today's video is to actually show you how you can redeem the Midnight tokens that we were mining back then. Mining the Midnight token was very simple. All you had to do is open your New5 extension wallet, come down here to the airdrop section, click on Midnight Network, and basically choose your Cardano wallet. Before I show you how to redeem your Midnight tokens or how to actually claim your allocation, for a little bit of context for all you that are new, what we do on this channel is basically we earn crypto utilizing different exchanges such as Gemini. We use their products, their credit card to earn cash back on purchases, and then that cash back is paid to us in Bitcoin. We also do a little bit of Bitcoin trading using BITUNIX, and obviously we mine crypto using GoMINING. So none of this is financial advice. All I'm doing here is showing you my crypto journey and my path to crypto freedom. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and let's get back to redemption. From the redeem page, we want to click up here to redeem, where basically it's going to show us how to redeem. Click on redeem night, connect a wallet. All the wallets are here that were supported when you were mining. For my instance, it's New5 wallet. I'm simply going to select New5, click on confirm, and it's going to show me the allocations. I believe it was a 31 days thaw period where I had to wait to claim my first or redeem my first allocation. Second allocation, this is going to be the second allocation. And as we see here, basically in another 89 days, we're going to claim the third allocation. So if we click on redeem, 179 tokens, the total I collected was 468. This is just on this computer. This was basically a test. I actually mined 14,000 of these tokens in a 7 or 8 day period. I was late to the 21 days, so I did not mine the full 21 days. So all we had to do is click on redeem. Once we click on redeem, you have to have a little bit of Cardano in your wallet or ADA for transaction fees. This is basically the wallet that it's going to, 117 Midnight token. Click on redeem. Your New5 wallet will open up, and basically we're going to have to approve this transaction of basically paying a little bit of ADA. So go ahead and click on sign. Redemption is successful, and basically in another 89 days, we're going to be able to claim the third allocation. So 4 allocations of 25% each. We claimed our second allocation in 89 days, allocation number 2. Quickly, if we go back to our New5 wallet, we can see here that we received the 117 tokens. Now, if we click on CoinMarketCap, if you're wondering how much are these tokens worth? Well, when they came out, they were 10 cents. Right now, we're looking at almost 5 cents. So they have dropped down 50%. So let's do a little bit of math. I had 14,000 of these tokens, and let's just take the 4 cents that it is right now. We're hoping that it stays at this price, but maybe it will go up, so we never know. So multiply that by 0.04, so $560. That's not bad. I know a lot of people that claimed a lot of these tokens, so that actually mined a lot of these tokens, and that made thousands and thousands of dollars by just mining Midnight tokens. For the test computer, I had mined 468, as we see down here, and that is not a lot. In phase 2, this is the second claim. Total claim, 234 tokens, as shown here. only worth $11. Not a lot, but this is just the computer for the test and for this video. 14,000 was my original allocation. If it goes back to 10 cents per token, we're looking at over $1,000. So there is money that can be made mining these tokens. Now, there was another airdrop that you were able to mine through NuFi wallet. If we came down to airdrop, there was Defensio, or I guess DFO token. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Where you were basically able to mine this token as well. Keep an eye for an update when to claim these tokens. But that concludes today's video on how to actually redeem your Midnight tokens. Stay tuned for more videos from this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.